Hey guys! Welcome back to AllysiuTV. For today, I'm going to review L'Oreal's newest brow product. So, it's called Micro Tattoo by Brow Artist. So, I'm so excited to try it! I'm so honored kasi isa ako sa mga napadalhan nito before it launches in public. So, I'm so excited to try it with you guys and to share my thoughts. Sana magustuhan ko siya kasi as of now, like, sobrang loyal ko sa isang product na international. So, yeah. Ayoko na siya banggitin ngayon. Kasi, syempre, wala lang. Yes. Here it is. I just got it today from the mail. So, gusto ko video na agad-agad. Bago ko pa makalimutan, okay? Get that microbladed brow look without the commitment. So yeah, as you all know, or sa mga new subscribers ko, welcome to my channel. If you don't know, naka-micro embroidery tong brows ko. Kaya, meron na talaga akong brows. Kasi, without the embroidery, sobrang wala yan. Ayan, wala tong makeup ngayon. Although, lagi pa rin ako nag-eyebrow makeup kasi mas gusto kong makeup siya. Alam mo yun, parang nakukulangan pa ako dito. Although, I will be having my retouch soon with my best friend. So, wait for it. Part 2 yun. Papa-retouch ako and magpapalip din ako sa kanya. So, yeah. Going back, this is the new Micro Tattoo by Brow Artist. All day perfect natural brows as if you've always had it. So, basically, these are the reasons why we will love it. According to L'Oreal, it has fork tip. So, alam mo yung fork, like tinidor talaga na tatluhan. So, meron siyang ganon for easy hair-like stroke. So, actually, mayroong nagva-viral na ganito sa Facebook. I just forgot the brand. Parang nagsisponsor siya lagi eh. I think parang international or Thai yata yun. Tapos parang siyang fork tip. So, yeah. It's smudge-proof and sweat-proof to last all day. So, hopefully, try natin yan basa-basain mamaya para matesting. And then, available shades, 105 warm brown, 103 cool brown. So, dalawa lang yung shades niya. So, mostly Filipinos naman, dark brown naman usually. And then, where to buy? Lahat ng L'Oreal Paris counters, Watsons, SM, Landmark, Robinsons, and other leading department stores nationwide. So, magiging available din siya online sa L'Oreal Paris official Lazada and Shopee stores. And it's only 500 pesos. So, anyway, let's get started. So, this is what it looks like, yung PR box niya. Cute! So, yeah. They only have 2 shades. This is the cool brunette. This is the warm brunette. So, I feel like magwa-warm ako. Parang gusto ko mag-warm brunette kasi although may part sa akin na medyo gusto ko rin na-try yung ano, cool. Let's try. So, let's open it. Oh! Okay. So, parang siyang pen. Parang siyang pen talaga. Okay. So, this will be first impressions review unboxing. So, ito-try ko muna siya sa hand ko para makita niyo yung pagka-pen and para makita niyo yung fork tip niya. Oh my God! Para ko siyang nabali. Oh my God! Akala ko matigas siya. Hindi siya matigas. Okay. Again. Oh, okay. So, dapat medyo gentle ka lang. Oh my God! Nagkamali ako, diba? Ginaganyan ko siya. Ayaw niya matanggal. Okay, so, it looks like it's long-lasting. So, this is what it looks like. Ayan. So, ayaw matanggal nitong namali ko. Okay, I'm so excited to try it. Okay, I'll just zoom you guys in. So, I want to do it like, you know, with hair-like application. Itong shade na to, warm brown shade, hindi ko siya masyado type kasi para siyang may red undertone. So, I don't like it. Tatanggalin ko lang to para matry natin yung cool brown. Okay, so I'm done doing my brows. So, this color is so much better. This cool brown. So, I'm not sure kung yung ibang Filipinas mas gusto yung warm tone and medyo may reddish undertone. Ako kasi hindi ko masyado type yun. Parang, feel ko hindi siya bagay sa skin tone ko. And, parang medyo harsh siya tignan for me. This one, sobrang sakto lang niya. This is the cool brown or cool brunette. So, I like this color. The fork tip applicator, I'm not feeling it. As in, parang hindi siya nakaka-help. Parang okay, yun na yun. Parang hindi ko na-feel na nagkaka-hair-like strokes gets. Parang I'd prefer na point tip na lang siya para at least mas ma-borderan ko pa yung kilay ko. So, yun lang. Those are like my initial thoughts. Pero like formula-wise, I'm so excited to test this out. Gusto ko gawing like full mga 2 to 3 days review. Gagamitin ko lang to and i-check ko kung long-lasting ba siya, waterproof, powers-proof, and stuff like that. So yeah, I will keep you guys posted and I hope to see you in the coming days. This is what it looks like close up. Love it. Ang ganda. Para akong bagong microblade. Alam mo yung ganong vibe? Good morning! So, we're going to Tagaytay today. Meron kaming event. And I'm going to do my kilay in the car. Say hi!
Hi!
We're going to Tagaytay. So, well, not most, pero ang dami namin laging events sa Tagaytay. Highlands, Midlands, so saan pa sa Tagaytay? Angel Fields, saan pa? Babe, participate!
I don't know.
Saan pa nga ibang Tagaytay events natin? Fernwoods. Saan pa? Antonios. Wow, may baon. Forever siya nagbabaon. Tuwan-tuwa siya dun sa tumbler niya. So, what's that tumbler? What's the brand, babe? You show them.
It's Clean Canteen.
No, it's
I'm
not
rich.
Clean Canteen. So, 500 pesos lang to. Babe, pakita mo para ma-share natin sa kanila. So, this is just 500 pesos Omega. Sobrang intense ng ano niya. What do you call that? Oh, basta. Napapatagal niya yung malamig na tubig. As in, sobrang tagal na sustain niya yung ice. Set up. On our way home. So, magna 9 PM na. And, check muna natin yung brows ko. Still intact. As in, wala pang nabubura. And, look. Smudge-proof siya. In fairness. Okay, guys. So, it's currently 10 PM. I just got home from a full day at work. 10 PM na. Anyway, syempre hindi na ako nag-vlog doon. Bawal naman mag-vlog doon sa work. So, papakita ko lang kung gaano ka-strong ang brows ko. So, everything is still intact. In fairness, oh my God. Sobrang love ko na tong brow pen na to. As in, parang, kasi usually, di ba, parang after a long day or pag pinawisan ka na and stuff, natatanggal tong dulo. So, ito, sobrang happy ko kasi hindi siya natatanggal, oh. Kahit ganyan-ganyanin ko pa. Eh, mahilig pa naman ako magganyan sa face ko. Hawak ako ng hawak. So, I'm just so impressed kung gaano siya ka-long-lasting. So, tomorrow, tatry ko mag-gym para makita ko like kapag pawis, kung magsistay pa rin ba siya and stuff. Hey guys! So, hindi ako naka-gym today kasi it's our department's Christmas party. So, whole day ko na tong suot and it's already 12 midnight. So, yes! Still intact. As in, walang nababawas. I love it. Grabe. Pero, most definitely, it is long-lasting. It lasted all day. Sobrang dami ng pinagdaanan nitong brows na to. So, yeah. It's still here! I just finished gym. Hindi lang halata kasi hindi talaga ako pawisin and ang lamig. So, ayan. Although pinagpawisan naman ako, and to think na buong araw ko nasuot tong, like, buong araw na ako naka-makeup. Ang tibay talaga nitong lipstick ko. This is Maybelline Super Stay Matte Ink. I super love long-lasting makeup kasi ayoko na nag-retouch. So, yeah, basically ito, kahit ismudge ko, napawisan na yan, it's still here. So, I love it so much! Okay guys, I'm home and i-conclude ko lang yung video. So basically, first off, hindi ko nagustuhan yung parang pa-fork like tip niya. Kasi parang, for me, wala naman siyang tulong. Sana naging pointy na lang siya. And then, second, I super love it. As in yung longevity niya. Sobrang long-lasting, smudge-proof, waterproof, kahit ano. All day, nagsistay talaga yung kilay ko. So, actually, kung papapilian ako, I choose this over Anastasia Beverly Hills na Brow Wiz. So, yeah. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. I hope you like this video. Bye!